What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into ANYCUBIC's Silk PLA in dual purple and black, or black and purple. One of the things I do like about the ANYCUBIC comes in a nice, easy to open cardboard box. I personally prefer cardboard spools usually, but nice, easy to open tabs or cardboard spools or refillable ones. This one's neither. But as you can see, it's this beautiful metallic-y, very shiny, glossy black and purple. Absolutely amazing color as it rolls off. There we go. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I will see you back here shortly for the benchy and all the other test prints. All right, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in a slicer of choice, in this case, Bamboo Studio in generic PLA. We're going to go ahead and get that sliced up, and it should take a little over an hour. So we're going to go ahead and send that off to the printer and all the other test prints, and here they are. As you can see, absolutely wonderfully generic printing thing for this. It worked out absolutely amazingly. No real major issues with this PLA Silk profile there. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Looks great, no issues with that. Next up, we have the temperature tower. The temp tower for this one, the best one I would say is 205. This one had the least amount of globbing and stringing on this without any sort of loss of quality. So 205. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. No real stringing or anything like that. Max volumetric speed test. So this one, 20 millimeters per second cubed without any sort of loss of quality or skipping or any sort of layer lines or anything like that. Overhang test. So the overhang test did succeed, went up all the way to 80, but there was a little bit of loss of quality on the back end and the front end as well. So if you need something that's finer detailed or something like that, realistically, you might want to look for a different type of filament. This is much more, more for aesthetics than anything. So just be aware of that. As you can see, like I said, very beautiful. This is the settings dialed in print for the benchy. But over at Amazon, at time of filming, you can pick this up for less than $19, which is a great deal for a kilogram filament, especially one that is this beautiful and everything like that. So my overall thoughts on this one is, like, if you're looking for a good PLA that's silk, absolutely amazing. I love it. And anyway, that's been ANYCUBIC's PLA Silk dual color in purple/black. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. This has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here for the next review. Thanks.